In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. You need to begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on system and updates. Then hit simple mode here and tap on enable to activate it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, you need to hit settings again. Scroll down to access this icon, exit simple mode. Click on it and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!